Hey, hey, hey! Making some celery juice. Look
Yummy!
at it. Watch it come out. Close it and build it up again.
We are making celery juice. We just saw Dad make celery juice. We were having fun. Yum! It is so good. Whitney, come back here. Whitney. Whitney.
Hi,
Haha, you're funny. She's so funny.
guys, let's see what I have for lunch. This is the only thing I have for lunch.
We're packing up to go.
Mine.
Mac and cheese.
We're gonna
Yeah.
eat only for her and me.
This is my lunch. Quinoa salad.
I don't like quinoa sandwich.
You don't like quinoa sandwich or salad?
Salad. Ugh. Me either. Ugh. I'll throw up.
Hi, Whitney.
Are you trying to get a spoon?
Hello.
What spoon do you like? Do you like the munchy spoon?
Yes.
And it has to be pink?
Yeah.
Yep.
Me pink.
Yep, you pink.
Looking good. A little saucy.
So I learned when you do 2 at a time, you gotta put it back in for a minute after, which is still good.
That's good to know. I did not know that.
Olivia has 2 spoons. Yes, 2 spoons.
Now you're eating a waffle?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm eating a waffle. Ooh, yeah.
You got your syrup? What's your favorite syrup?
Maple syrup. Hi guys. I'm gonna eat it with 2 spoons.
You're eating mac and cheese with 2 spoons.
Here's 2 spoons.
Let's see this.
Don't touch. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Too hot?
Yeah, too hot.
Oh, and you're eating it with 2 spoons too.
That's cute. Oh,
Don't get the syrup in your hair.
I won't. If you will.
Okay guys, the girls did really good yesterday of cleaning up, and Kourtney did really good on her test at school. And I told her if she does really good, I have to go take them to get Slurpees. So let's go find them and tell them that we're gonna go get Slurpees. Hey girls!
Oh my goodness, we're just waiting. Oh my god, on the big one.
Hey you guys!
What?
Do you guys wanna go get Slurpees?
Yeah!
Let's go!
I'm gonna drop off in my butt. Mom, I finally got on the big one. Look, I had to jump on so hard. You must have slipped down. Look at me! I'm actually twisting. Somebody stop me!
Somebody stop you.
Yeah. Or I just hop down. Yeah.
Silly girl.
Baby,
Hey, let's go!
hang on.
Whitney, should we go? Get a Slurpee? Oh, they're still swinging?
Guys, I want to show you something. It's actually really fun. Sometimes I do this. It's actually fun. Get your stuff. Wait, don't leave your stuff here. No. Oh no. My gloves. Now I'm ready. My glove.
Let's go. You lose your gloves.
I did. This one definitely, look. Hello. Trying to find the other one.
My God.
Oh.
This is her car seat. My purse is in the back.
Okay, let's go get in.
I'm gonna hop in.
Olivia, do you have the card?
Hey guys,
All right.
I look like I'm on.
Which one do you want? There's grape and strawberry nerds, sour patch pineapple, red bang.
What's this?
That's Coca-Cola. That's what they clean driveways with. Yeah. Later Gator, cherry limeade.
What do you want?
Banana.
I want the nerds.
You want the nerds?
Dad, can I have the big one?
Yeah, you get to do a medium one. Is this a medium one?
Dad, give me.
All right. Ugh. You want this one?
I want this one actually.
Red Bang.
Ooh,
Look at it
nice. I am getting red thing.
Red Bang 2, huh?
A little bit more.
A little bit more. You want Red Bang 2? Okay.
Red Bang.
Oop. Oopsie. Overload.
No, of course. That one.
Freeze brain.
I'm gonna drink. All gone.
You want a pink straw?
I'm having a blue straw.
You want this one, Whitney?
Hat.
Yes.
I already put my straw in. Right here.
All right. Let's
I already put my straw in. I put this one in. Now let's go. And let's go. I get this 1 million just from that.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like my sandwiches. It's a lot colder out here than what we thought. We'll
Yeah.
have a fast lunch.
It's probably a little cold in the shade too, huh? Ooh.
I'm gonna
Mmm.
go get in the car and get my jacket.
But look, you come out in the sun, I'm sure it's a little warmer. Oh, there goes Olivia.
Why?
How's lunch?
Good.
Yummy.
It looks like it's all getting eaten. Huh?
Now we're eating the popcorn.
Ooh, popcorn. Is it good?
Yeah.
You
Dad,
like
you should
it?
try some.
Maybe I will. You like it, Whitney? All right, here's mine. Oh, this is tasty. What kind of popcorn is it?
Kettle corn.
Kettle corn? Mmm. Love me some kettle corn. Still a little chilly, huh?
Yeah, we have all our jackets on now too.
Woo.
Olivia was so nice. She went and got them all for us.
Good job, Olivia.
You're welcome.
Fun. She's always so thoughtful, making sure we have what we want.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, did you hear that? She said thank you, Olivia.
Oh, Whitney said that? Oh, you're so kind, huh, Whitney?
I like to have free apples.
What?
I like to have free apples or what?
You had 3 apples.
And Kourtney's eating her favorite food, a bag of salad. Literally, she could eat salad all day.
Like every month.
I
Yeah.
know, I wasn't worried. School lunch? Oh, just bag of salad.
But
The girl's happy.
You do love it, huh?
guys, I just hurt my leg.
You just hurt your leg. Oh, don't fall over. All right, let's finish our food and then move on.
We made it to Frighteners again. We came last night. It was really fun. Whoa there, buddy. Lagoon?
Yeah. Even the bunker cars are.
What did you guys tie?
It's a bungee cord.
I'm like, what is that? Let's go have some fun. Where are we again?
We're at the lagoon.
Okay, Kirby. Trick or treat. Left hand or right hand? You guess. Hey! All right. Here's your superpower.
What is it?
Is that a picture?
Yay!
What'd you get?
What is it? A whoopee cushion. Kourtney, what is it?
It's a whoopee cushion.
We get some food?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right, let's take